Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and in today's video, I want to give you 5 reasons why you should get the Flashpoint XPLOR 400 Pro, also known as the Godox AD 400 Pro. And the first reason, which is the biggest reason in my opinion, and the reason why I wanted to make this video to begin with, is because the light's going to be offered at the lowest price ever of $399. This deal is one that I worked with Adorama to get, so if you guys want to take advantage of the deal, be sure to use the link in the description area below, and be sure to use it today when you see this video, because it's going to be offered only today and today only. The second reason why you should get the Flashpoint XPLOR 400 Pro is because it's actually modifiable. So I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. I have 2 different lights right here. This first one that you're about to see actually has a light stand attachment on the bottom, so you can attach it to a light stand, and it does have a Bowens mount on top here. You can actually attach a Bowens mount that it comes with, so you can use Bowens mount modifiers with this light, or you can use the more portable Godox mount modifiers, which I'll explain a little bit more in reason number 3, because it's a big reason why you should get this light. But I also have another version of the 400 Pro right here. So it doesn't have that bottom part, and it also doesn't have the Bowens mount on it. So in case you want it to be very, very compact and fit into some small camera bags, then you can take off the bottom part and not use it with the Bowens mount to keep it very small. If you do want to use the 400 Pro very compact like I just showed you, then I would definitely recommend investing in the Glow S2 bracket, which is a bracket that allows you to connect the 400 to Bowens mount modifiers in case you just want them to always be separated. Or of course you can attach the Bowens mount that comes with the light to the light. The third reason why you should get the 400 Pro is one that I briefly mentioned in the second reason, and it's that you can use some really portable and compact modifiers that are actually smaller than the more commonly used Bowens mount. This is a 26-inch softbox in Bowens mount, and this is a 26-inch softbox made for the 400 Pro. One thing that was really interesting about the light is even if you decide that you like Bowens mount modifiers more and you want to attach the Bowens mount to the light, you can actually still have the option of attaching the Godox mount modifiers to the light as well. So you basically have a light with 2 mounts. So here on the screen, you can see the Godox mount, which is going to be this one right here, but the Bowens mount is the one that's smaller. So like I said before, you can actually have 2 mounts with this single strobe. The fourth reason why you should get the 400 Pro is because it offers a nice bright 30-watt modeling lamp on the light. And in case you guys don't know what a modeling lamp is, it's just a continuous light source on the light that allows you to get a preview of how the light is going to look like before you even take a shot. Even though the purpose of the lamp is to get a preview of the light before you take a shot with flash firing, there are times where I shoot in very low light scenarios like at night where I don't even need the flash power and the flash is actually too strong at the lowest output, and I just need to use the continuous light source of the lamp. The fifth and final reason why you should get the 400 Pro is because it's smaller and lighter than a 600 watt strobe, which I have right here. So you can see that the 400 is smaller, but what you can't see is that it is lighter. I believe you can get the 400 to be a pound to a pound and a half lighter than the 600 watt strobe. If you don't really shoot in bright sunny conditions all the time, then I would say that you more than likely don't need a 600 watt strobe, and the 400 watts that the 400 Pro offers is going to be more than enough. Actually, now that I think about it, even if you do shoot in very bright sunny conditions, if you take advantage of ND filters like I do, then the 400 watts that this 400 Pro offers is definitely more than enough power. Throughout the year, you guys are always asking me about Black Friday deals. Well, you can think of this deal on the 400 Pro as a surprise Black Friday deal because it really is such a great price at $399, which is $250 off. If you have no lighting at all, this is an excellent strobe to start experimenting with flash, especially at this price because it is $250 off. If you guys have any questions about this light, let me know in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. I do have a few behind the scenes videos using the 400 Pro, so if you guys want to search my profile, or if you guys want to check out the description area below, I'll link a couple of the different videos that I did using the 400 Pro. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.